Welcome to the demonstration of 32Soft's Supplier Maintenance Data Loader. This data loader was designed especially for QAD AP users who work with a large number of suppliers in the QAD 2.3.1 menu. You'll find that this efficient and productive tool allows you to download data from QAD into Excel spreadsheets, where you can easily manage supplier details. Then, quickly and safely, upload your revised data right back into QAD. Let's take a look at how Supplier Maintenance Data Loader can help you manage your suppliers with greater efficiency and accuracy. When we open the data loader, we see a familiar Excel spreadsheet with the addition of the data loader banner. The banner includes filtering options and action buttons, which allow us to download data from and upload data back to QAD. To get started, we must first select the correct database. Click the Setup button to find the appropriate database and select it. We can set up as many databases here as needed. The fields in the header highlighted in yellow allow us to filter records by supplier code, name, country, state, or type ranges. If we leave filter fields open, Supplier Maintenance Loader will download all supplier records. Once the filter parameters have been entered, we can select the Download button. As soon as we select any of the action buttons for the first time, a login screen appears. As with all 32Soft data loaders, the Supplier Maintenance Loader uses QAD authentication logic to validate user ID and password. This loader validates that the user has access to menu 2.3.1. Let's go ahead and log in. The data is downloaded, and we now see all records that match our search criteria. We see that the data fields of the 2.3.1 Supplier Maintenance menu from QAD are displayed. The Supplier field, here highlighted in orange, is a key field. When a value is changed in this field, a new supplier maintenance record will be created. Gray fields are read-only fields, so the values from these columns will not be uploaded into the QAD database. Green fields are fully writable fields, so we can edit the value in all of these columns. Yellow fields are fields which can be updated only when certain modules are used in QAD, such as supplier performance and logistics, as we see here. In this demonstration, we will change the type for all suppliers we downloaded. Since data loaders utilize standard Excel spreadsheets, we have all of Excel's functionality, so we can simply copy-paste data from one cell to other cells. Let's also create a new supplier. We can copy the information from the last line in the spreadsheet and simply change only the information that is different for this new record. This eliminates the need to manually enter new suppliers. So let's make our changes to this record. Once we have reviewed our data, we simply click the Upload button to send our new data to QAD. A pop-up screen displays the status of the upload and will indicate if the upload is successful or if our data contains errors. As with all of our data loaders, the Supplier Maintenance Loader validates data in the cells against QAD logic and will return an error message if inaccurate data is submitted, as in this case. When we encounter an error, we need to close the status window and correct any errors before attempting to upload the data again. We can use the Find Error button to find and fix all errors in the file. Cells that contain errors are highlighted in red. When we place the cursor in the cell, the reason for the error is displayed. We must correct the error before resubmitting our data. Let's try to find the next error and fix it. There are no more errors, so let's try to upload again. This time the upload is successful, so we can close the status window. We can click the Download button again to verify that our new or edited information was uploaded successfully. And we can see all information was uploaded successfully to QAD. Here is our new record, and here are our changes to type for all suppliers. As demonstrated, this easy-to-use productivity tool enables you to easily manage a large number of supplier maintenance records in convenient Excel spreadsheets and upload the data easily and safely to QAD. 32Soft's Supplier Maintenance Data Loader will increase your productivity, reduce errors, and significantly contribute to your bottom line. For more information about this and other productivity tools, or to start your free 60-day trial, email us at contact@32soft.com. And please be sure to visit our website to sign up for our free educational webinars, www.32soft.com. Thank you for your interest in our productivity tools and for watching this demonstration.